Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Victoria and I'm a professional makeup artist in Dallas, Texas. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different and I want you guys to let me know how you like it. I'm going to be doing a up close, zoomed in eyeshadow tutorial for this look. I put a poll out on my Instagram for names for it. I already posted a mini tutorial there so you guys can check that out as well. But this is going to be more of the full length. I'm going to do a little voiceover. It's going to be real cute. So I want to know if you guys like this style, if you want to see more tutorials like this. I just realized I have nothing on my lips right now. I'm getting ready to film a first impression of the new Party Pink LashSense collection, so be sure to check that out. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video to see who my viewer of the week is. And keep watching to see my eyeshadow tutorial for this copper shimmer look. This is the look we're going to be recreating. First, for the base, we're going to start off with Sandstone Pearl ShadowSense. I'm just applying this liberally straight to my lid, and then I'm going to be blending it out with my hand. Since this layer doesn't have to be perfect, it's totally acceptable to use your fingers to blend it out so that you can get it done quick without getting any other brushes dirty. Now we're going to use Mocha ShadowSense with a fluffy blending brush for the transition color. This is going to go straight from the inner corner to the outer corner just above the crease. I'm using a circular buffing motion to really get this color blended out and not be heavy. Next, for the crease, we're using Rustic ShadowSense. I'm using a small blending brush. You can see how tiny that blending brush is. Since I have hooded eyes, I prefer to use a smaller blending brush for my crease because I have more control over where the product's going. Now, not pictured in this video is how many times I go back to the tube to get more product. I had someone say to me that they can never get the right amount of Rustic Brown. It's because you're probably getting too much. So I'm constantly layering, constantly building it, and really getting it to exactly where I want it without getting too much product. The key to using a dark shade like this is blend, blend, blend. You do not want any harsh lines, so just keep on blending even when you feel like you don't have any product left on your brush. You definitely do, so keep playing with it. I'm going along my bottom lash line to add kind of a smoked out shadow look here. I'm just doing the outside 1/3 and I'm just very messy with this. I don't really do anything special or particular here. For a second transition color, I'm using Copper Rose Shimmer ShadowSense. This is kind of a sheer color, so I'm just going straight on the lid and packing it in with a shading brush. Notice that I'm not rubbing back and forth, I'm patting, so it's going to keep the color more in the area I want it. The last shade for this eye look is Sandstone Pearl Shimmer. This is the same as the first shade we used, except it has shimmer in it, so it's great for highlighting the inner corner, which is what I'm doing here with a small shading brush. This is a Morphe brush. You can look down in the description for the brushes I used. I like going just below that tear duct area to highlight there. I go under the brow bone as well, always using that packing motion so that I don't spread out the product too much to where you can't really see it. Next, I'm going to tight line my eyes with black brown EyeSense. This is just going right along that lash line to make the lashes look fuller and frame the eyes. Before I put on lashes, I'm just going to coat my lashes with some black waterproof mascara. The reason for this is it actually blends your lashes in with false lashes. When you're using mink lashes like I'm using, you don't want to put mascara on top of the lashes because you're going to ruin the natural hair. So by putting mascara on first, you're going to get that blended in look. The lashes I'm using are Mink Lashes by Ann Cash Lash. This is actually a company that one of my friends from my pageant days owns, so I would definitely love to see you guys support her. I'm using the Duo Quick Dry Glue and just using a lash applicator to get that lined up right on my lash line. Alright y'all, here is the finished look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I've decided to name it Rustic Rose based on your Instagram suggestions. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Like I said at the beginning, I want you guys to let me know if you like this because I can do more like this. I just want to do more tutorials and I don't know how I should do them. So if this is a style that you guys like, I would appreciate the feedback. Let's give a huge shout out to our viewer of the week. I'm gonna throw her name up right here. Hey girl, thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting. Remember, to be a viewer of the week, all you have to do is leave me a comment and I pick a random viewer to say thanks for being awesome and for watching my video. So make sure you guys go show her some love in the comments, give her a subscribe, give her a thumbs up, give her a heart, all those things. All right, I'll catch y'all next time. Peace out, Girl Scouts. If you guys haven't seen it yet, be sure to check out my first impression of the new Party Pink collection. Click the link next to me to check it out. Ooh, okay, I already love this. It's like Orchid Gloss, but better. It's like a more pigmented Orchid Gloss. Oh, I'm so excited for this. It's pulling more pink than I expected it to.